Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Saili Mane, working as Assistant Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Department of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss telecommunication and environment through remote sensing. So the theme telecommunication and environment is particularly important subject which could hardly be more relevant to the world today. It is generally established the fact that telecommunications serve as tool for the development. What kind of development do we mean? Answer is clear. Sustainable development. It is the context of sustainable development that the link between environmental problems and telecommunication comes to the light. Environmental protection calls for information in all forms. Now the problems of environment. While the problem of the environment is as old as mankind itself, actually awareness of the problem has developed gradually as the damage inflicted on the nature has become more and more serious. During the first stage, the degradation of nature, man was not yet aware that environmental was made up of finite, quantifiable and limited elements. He remained convinced the nature had an unlimited capacity of generation despite numerous warnings, particularly from scientists, that was not true. The second stage, it recognized the relationship between environmental development, the specific incorporation of development and environmental problems into economical planning and basic decision making remain practically non-existent. Then the role of telecommunication in environmental protection. By carrying information in written, oral, visual and electronic form, telecommunication offer good alternative to the transport of goods or person. Quite rightly, it makes the feasibility of such projects contingent on three factors: level of development, telecommunication infrastructure, dominant means of transport in the country or city, social or business background. The first benefit of this type of project is to reduce emission of greenhouse gases and in particular CO2, thereby moving back atmospheric pollution and protection the ozone layer, which is under serious threats. The second benefit of the positive effect on the energy situation through saving in consumption. The role of remote sensing is given by different example. First example, environment. Remote sensing has made it possible to map these areas which are not easily accessible, such as marine environment. Second example, surface water management. Satellite images have been used to produce digital terrain model and gradient charts. The third example is taken geographical information system. The geographical information system provides very reliable information on land use, network, sites. So the conclusion, the world telecommunication system fulfills three main functions. It connects the world, regional and national meteorological centers. It gathers observation data and disseminates theme worldwide. It distributes, analyze and forecast prepared by the data processing center. The telecommunication have a vital role to play in environmental protection, and this is obviously something we should all be welcome.